Assalamu alaikum, class 2, day 17. Open your grammar book, page number 9, lesson number 2, adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives, or the words that tell us something more about a person, a place, or a thing are called adjectives. For example, they describe the good or bad quality the of a person, place, or thing. Look, this man is the quality of man. This man is tall. How many lines are there? There are 5 lines. And the cat is gray. So let us understand exercise. Complete the following sentences by adding an adjective from the given list. We have the list: green, long, fat, tiny. Dash grass. The grass is green. Write green here. Second, dash cat. The fat cat. Write fat in the second blank. Dash snake. Look, snake is tiny but it is long. So write long snake. And look at this. This is a rat. Tiny rat. Write tiny here. Now turn the page. Page number 10. Write date, CW and day on the page. Underline the adjectives in the following passage. One Sunday, Jack and Tom decided to go out for a picnic in the nearby hills. The quality of hill is they are nearby. Okay, the next word is it was a pleasant day. So, pleasant is adjective. After packing some food and drinks in a bag, they set out on their journey. They took a narrow path. Path means rasta, but adjective is narrow path, which took them up a steep hill. Steep is adjective. The slopes were covered with dense tree. Dense is an adjective. Dense means ghane dracht on both sides of the path. Okay. Look at the picture below. Complete the sentences using an adjective in the list below. We have some words: shop, red, young, yellow, bald. The dash lady is waiting for a bus. Look at the picture. The young lady. Write young in the first blank. She is wearing a dash hat. Look, red hat. Write red in the second blank. Okay. There is a dash across the road. What is this across the road? Look, what is this? This is a shop. Write shop in the third blank. Where is shop? Right here. Okay, the dash man is the shopkeeper. The bald man is the shopkeeper. Write BLD here. This is the fourth blank. There is a dash cat sitting on the roof of the shop. Look, there is a cat and the cat is yellow. The color of the cat is yellow. Write yellow here.